Just reduced and only a few miles west of Givens Hot Springs, this property sits on over 6 acres with Snake River frontage. It's a rare and unique spot to call home and a perfect place to enjoy the fresh air and evening skies. This open home is loaded with windows to frame beautiful views, and a large deck creates a great outdoor living space. This open space is the epitome of letting the outside in. Just move in and relax, and even pasture your horses out in the peace and quiet of Owyhee County, yet it's still close to most of the services you find in the city. Sitting right on the Snake River, you'll enjoy gorgeous views and plenty of frontage for a boat dock and some great fishing. Enjoy a garden area, RV parking, and irrigation is available. The home offers a shop garage that has the capacity of nearly 7 cars, plus there's plenty of storage and room to work on your favorite projects all year long. Call Jeff Allen with LeBois Realty for a personal tour, 602-4600.